Before troubleshooting the power module, please confirm if there are any anomalies. First, check the module SN, make sure it is the correct power module for the switch. Second, reinstall the power module, ensuring it is firmly inserted into the slot. Third, check the PSU fan for normal operation and ensure adequate airflow in the unit. If previous checks are done and the power module status indicator is still red, it's likely a faulty power module. We should replace it with a new one. Before replacing the faulty power supply module, please take note of the following precautions. Unlock the power cord lock and unplug the power cable. Press the captive screw and gently pull out the power module. Switch will operate during power module replacement. Insert the new power module horizontally, fully seating it in the power slot. Ensure the power is connected and lock the power cable securely. After replacing the faulty power module, we can observe the status indicator on the panel. A solid green light indicates normal operation of the power modules. Through the switch configuration interface, it shows that both PSU1 and PSU2 are operating normally. Before troubleshooting the fan module, please confirm if there are any anomalies. First, check fan vents for dust accumulation. Remove dust using a compressed air duster if vents are blocked. Then, reinstall the fan module, ensuring it is firmly inserted into the slot. If there is no problem with the above checks, it's likely a faulty fan module. We should replace it with a new one. Then comes the specific steps of replacing the faulty fan module. Before replacing the faulty fan module, please take note of the precautions. They are the same as replacing the faulty power module. Loosen the captive screws on the fan module with a screwdriver. Hold the handle at the end of the fan module and slowly withdraw it. And the switch is still working. Insert the fan module slowly until it is fully seated, making sure it has good contact with the slot. Tighten the captive screws with a screwdriver to fix the fan module in the switch chassis. After replacing the faulty fan module, we can observe the status indicator on the panel. A solid green light indicates normal operation of the fan modules. Through the switch configuration interface, it shows that all fans are operating normally.